Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you new adhesives that I found at Dollar Tree. Yes, look, this is new Beacon and it's tacky glue. See? So I think this one is going to be the same as Aline tacky glue because this brand is very good. Okay, and yeah, let me show you. See? It's creamy and heavy. Okay, right here I have this one by Crafter Square, and this one is a permanent writable white sticker, and it says that it's 5.5 by 48 inches, so it's like about 4 sheets of 12 by 12. See, and this one is 5.5, and let me show you. This one you can stamp. Okay, you can stamp, you can color and then cut it out, and it has adhesive at the back. You can also use your dies. Okay, you can stamp something, use your dies, cut it, and yeah, especially like for letters like this. See? And you can also color the paper and then use your word dies and cut it out, so you don't have to buy the color cardstock or special paper, right? And I think that you can make many more things with this sticker paper. So if you have more ideas, please let us know in the comments. Okay, and then I have these two glue dots, and this one is it says glue dots adhesives, and it says removable dots right here. Okay, and it comes 36 pieces right here, 36 pieces of 1/2 of an inch. See, and these are clear, I think. See, it looks like this, but these are removable. Okay, so you have 36 of them. And this one, it says glue dots, and it says permanent dots, and it says right here 36 of 1/2 of an inch, and they are blue. Okay, but I think it will change color when you use it. So these are the permanent. Okay, and yeah, these are the new stuff in the craft section, and I'm going to test all of these and the other adhesives that I bought before in another video. Okay, this one is not an adhesive, but I will show you samples with this one as well. Okay, and now I'm going to show you in a quick video what is new for fall. Okay, there are new items that are coming to the store, and you will see them. Okay, if you enjoy watching what's new, please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye bye.